an alley range. I went to high school, did do great. Still gonna make more cash. More education is what I'm looking at. When I get a degree, I will make a bigger salary. So now I got to see which college is right for me. I went on the internet and found Education Connection. I took some free tests to find out my direction. I'm taking my classes online, getting my degree on my own time. Education Connection matched me with the right college for free. Get connected for free with Education Connection. Get connected for free with Education Connection. The face.